Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPS security. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and even put together a 200-plus page research document covering everything about securing VPS setups with VPNs. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff that honestly doesn't even matter for VPS protection, or stuff you don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to cut to the chase and tell you which VPNs are the best for VPS right now. Plus, I'll share a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document for free and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for VPS and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for VPS. Why? First, it works seamlessly with VPS environments. That's super important, of course. Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested. No lag on your server connections, no packet loss, plus great upload and download speeds. Perfect for remote server management. Features. It's got the most features by far. Kill switch, meshnet for secure private networking between VPS instances, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support. Affordable for what it offers and the support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, keeping your VPS data locked tight. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty cheap for everything it brings to the table. Negatives? Just the 10 device limit. Second best VPN for VPS is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN built purely for performance, ideal for VPS setups that need reliability. Speed, crazy fast with consistently low latency. No connection drops, no packet loss, just smooth sailing managing your VPS. Features, all the essentials for VPS security plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch, split tunneling, great if you want only certain VPS traffic routed through the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best value for money VPNs out there, often cheaper than most competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? No, they don't keep logs. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Uses AES 256, the best encryption tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might make privacy fans a bit nervous. But that no logs audit really checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, secure, and a true set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want pure performance and great value for protecting your VPS. Third best VPN for VPS is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Perfect for more complex VPS setups. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server near your VPS to cut down latency. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's by far the most customizable VPN here, so you can tailor your VPS security exactly how you want it. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option on the list. Support is pretty good and professional. Logs? Nope, no logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as clean or slick as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, powerful VPN. Best if you're on a budget, but still want a huge network and advanced features for your VPS. And that's it, my top 3 picks for VPS security. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just based on their logo or colors, you'll be totally fine because they all work perfectly for VPN protection on VPS setups. Quick recap at the end for anyone still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for VPS. A premium experience, tons of features, plus fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN for VPS. Great value for what you pay. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a massive server network and loads of advanced features for your VPS. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which it was. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.